For the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your web browser. After you open up your web browser, come to this Safari engine right here and type in the font. Then go ahead and hit enter, and in a few seconds, it's take you to this particular web page right here. Go ahead and click on the first result right here. Now you are here in the official web page of the font free font. So here you can get as many as possible fonts of your choice. You can come to the top right here and search font by category. Let's say I want something like under the choice section. So you have all available fonts in the choice section. So if you do not like any of the fonts right here, I'm going to get on the modern options right here. So if you do not like this as well, then go on and check on different uh, types of fonts right here. So I'm going to go ahead and check on this. So I do not like this also. I'll go back here and check on this. I'm going to go ahead and simply download this particular one right here, the retro font. So for you to download, first thing first, come to the download button right here. Go ahead and hit on download, and this is going to come up. It's going to be downloaded as a WinRAR zip file. Go ahead and hit on save right here. Successfully download right here. So you can download as many as possible fonts right now. Let's see how we can actually use this font. Okay. So after a successful download the font, next thing you want to do is to minimize this the web page. And so from your window PC right here, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and look for the font download folder. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and open up a folder right here. So having opened up a folder, next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and make sure I navigate to my download folder right here. So we have the font right here, which is this. So I will simply drag the font zip outside from the download folder, and I will take it to my desktop environment right here. So you can see the font right here. Now what we want to do here now is to unzip this particular font. So how do we do that? Go ahead and select on the, we have to make sure we create a folder, and for that I'm going to go ahead and right click. So having right click, then we'll make sure we go to new, then we go ahead and click on folder. So we can call this one font 5. Okay, I will click on enter. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and select this particular zip font file right here. So select on the file, then right click on it. So after right click on it, next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and make sure we click on extract all right here. So here you will need to choose the folder at which you want to extract it. Go ahead and make sure you click on browse right here. Then go to your desktop. Then you have to select your font folder. So this is the font folder right here. Click on select folder. Then go ahead and click on extract. So in a few seconds, it's going to extract all the fonts right here. So what we need is this particular font right here. Now, once you have the font right here, next thing you want to see is to see, the next thing we want to do is to make sure we install this particular font here into our Windows 11 PC. And for that, go ahead and right click on your Windows environment. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to this. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to personalize. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down and then go ahead and click on font. Then you have the area whereby you can just drag and drop the font right here. So I'm going to go ahead now and place them side by side. So this is the font right here. I will simply drag and drop it in my window level right here. So for us to be sure that this font here has been successfully installed into our window level, so we can go ahead and click on here and search for the name of the font, the retro So here we go. We have the font right here, which is the retro font demo. So we have the font right here, just like so. So this is how to simply install fonts into your Windows 11. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.